Hello everyone, this is Atif from IntelliTech Trading, and I'm gonna review my NVDA trade from 24 April 2026. And yeah, so this is my first review actually, so I'm gonna go over my setup as well. So this is my usual trading setup, and it seems to be a little complicated on my laptop, but I use 32-inch monitors, so it's pretty big there. I can see everything very clearly. So yeah, so NVIDIA was my choice yesterday. Why? Because it was aligning on every time frame. So I was expecting a breakout here, which happened very beautifully. And but I had to be very patient. And you can see the market open here 9:30, and the breakout happened like 10:35 something. So I had to wait for whole 1 hour, but it paid me off. That was a very beautiful trade. Let me break it down, the execution and the risk and the key lessons as well. So this is my setup. Usually I use two simple moving averages and EMAs basically, my bad. A VWAP and those support and resistance line, that's all I need. And this yellow line is from my homework, which I usually do one night before the trading day. Yep, so that was the manual. Otherwise, you see these green shaded area. It's 5 minute opening range break, which helps me to have good trades on daily basis. So yeah, so NVIDIA was in my radar because I was expecting a breakout, and this ping thing. This is the last day close, and this is a very important key level. And by the way, it's all automatic. This is think or same I use, so you don't have to plot anything apart from your homework lines. That's all. So let I have taken a snapshot so that I can draw. Yeah, here. So even with before this breakout, I already knew that if it happens, it's gonna go to first 206, then 209 because I could see these lines already there, and I was expecting $3 move first. Then again, I was expecting $3 move. Yeah. So that was my target to capture at least $5. That's my strategy that I usually don't wait to touch these lines. I always exit 70, 80 cents before or sometime $1. In yesterday case, I just made my target was to make $5. And my risk was because my entry was 203.5 and my excuse me, my risk was somewhere here $1.5 if it goes against me. So I was expecting $5 against 1.5. That's a very good risk to reward, but it doesn't happen every time. It was a beautiful setup yesterday. Usually I go 1.5 to 3, 50-50 or 1 to 3. That's all I always want. So yeah, and this is my usual daily setup, and it works all the time. At least working for me for last 7-8 years, and I've been doing it consistently. You don't have to be greedy. You can't get rich over the night. You have to find a setup. You have to do it every day consistently. All this setup, all the available things on YouTube and any other platforms, you can learn in a day, 2 days maximum. But the important thing is consistency and discipline. So let me explain these three charts down here. They were like this is 30 minutes, this is 1 hour, this is my 4 hour, and this is my daily. Daily, I usually don't watch when I am doing day trade. Yeah, these three are important if your execution is aligning with them. 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. That's very good. That's very ideal. So in NVIDIA, they were aligning very well. So yeah, that's why that was my trade. And one more important thing, if it is consolidating, You have to have an eye on volume as well. You can see here, yeah, this red candle, it has a very less volume here. This one, if you see here, almost equal or less than, but not a big spike in volume. So volume is very important if you are expecting a breakout. I was checking volume consistently. My entry was here 203. My exit was 209 something. I didn't wait until 210. I don't do that, and that's what I teach people, that you don't have to do that. And apart from that, I was looking at my level 2 here, and tap recording, which is obviously I'm recording right now. It's not there, but yeah, this is, you have to read the tab, and you see your level 2 levels here as well. So that's my setup, and I have taken two more snapshots here. So if you don't have proper indicators with you, you would never know what's gonna happen. You have no idea why it is stopping here, and why only here. Why did you stop it here? Because you don't have anything here. You don't know. You're in office working. Your friend tells you, "Oh, NVDA is going up, 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 up," and by the time the news came to you, it was already here, and you bought it. Oh yeah, it's gonna go to 214, 220. But you see what happened here. So this is not some magic. This is not magic. These levels are not magic. These are skills. You have to have them on your chart. I'm not saying have these indicators only. You can use any what works for you the best. But one more thing, let me show you one more chart, one more snapshot here. You don't have to do that. Don't overcomplicate your charts. Don't make them complex. You see here, you have your Bollinger Band, you have your RSI, you have your MACD here, or MACD, and see, you, I don't know what's going to happen here, because the price action, it's not visible. I'm looking at my RSI, oh, it's oversold, overbought, and I'm looking at my MACD as well. So it's gonna make you confused only. So keep your charts as simple as possible, whatever works for you. This works for me very well. So that's why I have decided to teach it to other people. And if you are interested, you can go to my website here, IntelliTech Trading. And if you are very beginner, you don't know, you have no idea about markets and platforms and setups, risk management, you can join my free weekly session as much as you want. This is 3 hours of free trading where I teach very basics. How does market work? I mean, how can you start? And if you know all these terms already, you can join my day trading strategies. You can check the course outline here as well. If you think this is something what can work for you, feel free to enroll here, and I would be happy to help. Yeah, so this is it. I'll be doing my another trade review next week. Until then, yes, happy trading, but don't lose your money. That's the key point. Just don't try to beat the market. Nobody can beat the market. You have to go with them. If your trade is against you, just cut your losses. Please cut your losses. Don't wait that. Ultimately, it will come to, if it is a good stock like NVIDIA, Tesla, Apple, such big companies, and the trade is against you, and you think, yeah, no, I'm not gonna sell it. Oh, it will eventually it will come back, but the thing is, what do you want to trade off? Your time, like 6 months? I have done this, guys. Believe me, I have been there. Once I didn't sell my Tesla, and I had to wait for like 10 months to reach that point, and I wasted my 10 months. That's it on that single trade. I was doing other stuff. But yeah, so just cut to your losses. There is another day. Market is there. There is tomorrow. Go have some good food. Come back tomorrow. You can do it tomorrow. That's it. That's the key. So yeah, uh, that's all from my side today. Happy trading and see you in another week. Thank you.